Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rakesh, this is my channel King Kesh, and today we'll be modding my car. So today we have two mods. We have the wind deflectors and car seat covers. The car seat cover is a bit cheap, it's from Halfords, but I have like OCD over my chairs and I need to protect them, like just from like little dirt, so I don't have to wash the whole seat. I can just take the covers and wash them. And I got wind deflectors for the aesthetics because I don't really know what they do. But yeah, so let me get some B-roll of my car because I did clean it. And yeah. So yeah, that is the car cleaned, and this is my journey to Halfords where I got the car seats. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on one, because this is my first time, so you guys can do it with me, and how to install wind deflectors. I watched it on YouTube. I'm a pro. I'm gonna let go of the camera, let it float for a little bit. Yeah. So first,
let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche on it.
The wind deflectors. It came in a big package from Amazon. So we're gonna unbox that quickly right over here. So guys, these are the wind deflectors. So these are for the front, which you're gonna have to tuck in, which I'll show you. And this is for the rear. Let's get to that. Move the car a little bit forward so better lighting, better for you guys, better for me as well. So we are gonna be doing this window first, and I'm just gonna time lapse the rest. Yeah, so you guys have a brief idea. So basically what's gonna happen is this is gonna tuck into the sides like that, and it'll kind of, so that's like a kind of, and I know you usually get clips with it, but mine didn't come with clips. It just came with the 3M tape, so I'm literally gonna use tape to stick this whole thing. So guys, I'm just gonna use some surface wipes just to clean it, make sure there's no dirt here. So now we're gonna take the tape off and we're gonna stick it. This is scary because I don't even know how to actually do this.
Take the tape off, sides.
And if I can buy the clips after, I will. That's it. You do have to bend this a little bit. So guys, I'm gonna quickly open the door. My car's off. I think that looks good, guys. And yeah, so basically what I saw, you're meant to keep it up for a little bit, just let the glue kind of set. We'll just get to doing the other windows now. So guys, same thing, we're gonna quickly clean. And I don't know why, I've never noticed that. It's like, mine's like velvet lined. So we got that Bugatti Bentley.
What?
Bugatti Bentley? What is that? So we finally got them off. Took so long, but I'm pretty sure they've dried out before. So I'm gonna try buy clips for these. And this is a bit loose. Do not suggest getting these from Amazon. What the fuck is it? And let that hold in. So this, guys, is how it looks from the side. Take a look. Wow, I cleaned my windows and they're still dirty. So guys, we're gonna put the seat covers on. So these are the seat covers we have. They're literally from Halfords. They were £30, and pretty sure they're very easy to install. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna do the front seat first, just one, so the driver's side, because the other side is practically the same thing. and then we're gonna do the back seat because that's one whole cover. Yeah, so let's go. Yes guys, it is the next day. Long story short, I'll show you how it looks, and it's not even worth it. The quality is crap. So that is what the seats look like. And you can tell the red is a bit off as well compared to like the whole, like it's like a very strong red that's going throughout the car, and then this is just a very, like, I don't want to say dull, but it's not just the red, it's not the red I was looking for. Yeah, like I didn't even bother to put this bit on because it just didn't look good, man.
Mission failed.
So guys, if anyone was wondering why I'm actually modding the car, it's because I generally feel like I've looked all over YouTube and I haven't found anyone that mods this car. I feel like a lot of people mod the old version Polo, but they don't really do this one. I don't know why. It is much harder to find parts. I can't lie, I have looked around and it's much harder to find parts for this Polo. It's like the 2017 onwards model. But yeah, no one actually mods this, and I feel like maybe I can be the first, or maybe there is someone and just not doing a good job. So we'll see in it. And yeah, that is the main reason why I'm modding this car, because I feel like no one's done it. One, no one on YouTube's done it. Two, and I don't know, I just feel like it'd be sick. It is my car at the end of the day, so I was planning on doing it anyway, so why not show you guys. Also guys, let me know what you guys think I should do to the car. So I have planned a couple things. Like I said, in the next few videos you guys can see it. If you guys enjoyed it, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in a bit, man. Love.